Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the synthesis essay. We're going to be talking about what a synthesis essay is and what is the purpose of writing one. To begin with, a synthesis essay is a paper that requires you to read a number of sources, identify the related ideas, and explain how these ideas are related. Most students would never have written a synthesis essay before, and they may often wonder why they need to write one. And here are the three main purposes for why somebody should learn how to write a synthesis essay. The first reason is this: it helps us meet one of the goals of college education, which is to learn to search out new ideas that are different from our own. Secondly, it helps us to meet us another goal. In order to be really educated on an issue, we need to be aware of more than one side of that particular issue. Lastly, a synthesis essay helps us to draw information from a variety of sources and draw connections between the ideas that the different writers present. This in turn can help us gain an overall perspective of that particular issue. In other words, we learn to see the issue from many different angles. We also learn to kind of look at the different arguments that the people make in support of that particular position. And we also learn how, in different ways, people provide arguments in order to negate the position taken by some other writers. And this skill can be especially exceptionally useful, especially when you're required to read several sources and write a research paper that considers the arguments that writers have to make on an issue. In my next presentation, I'll be talking to you about how to write a synthesis essay. Thank you.